Hey kids, today we're going to do thick and chewy Nutella chocolate chip cookies. Nutella. So what you want to do is you want to get 2 cups and 2 tablespoons of unsifted bleached flour, a half a teaspoon of salt, and a half a teaspoon of baking soda, and you're going to mix that well. Then you're going to move over to a different bowl and get the wet ingredients together. Okay, I went through the recipe here and it says to use 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter, but then it goes on and it says 1.5 sticks, and everyone knows that there are only 8 tablespoons in a stick, so let's hope that this works. Now in this bowl we're going to put 3/4 cup of brown sugar and a half a cup of granulated sugar, along with the 8 tablespoons of butter that have been melted and cooled off. Okay, we're just going to blend this until it's all incorporated. Then we're going to mix the rest of the stuff in there. Okay, now you're going to add in 1 egg and 1 egg yolk, a half a cup of Nutella, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And you're going to mix that all up together really well. And then we're going to add in the dry ingredients that we mixed up earlier. Okay, it said mix until just combined. So we're going to do that. And then we're going to add in the last part. 1 to 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Okay. And then we're gonna scrape this down and then add in the chips. It says 1 to 2 cups. But you know, Scott always says more chips the better. You can also add in a cup of chopped walnuts or pecans, and I'm going to leave that out because Scott doesn't care for nuts. I need to heat the oven up to 325 degrees. Guess what I'm making? Thick and chewy Nutella chocolate chip cookies. Is that your baby?
Yep. For now.
Oh, let's see. Oh. Okay, so it says to line a 20 by 14 baking sheet with outsides with parchment paper. I don't have anything without sides, and I do have parchment paper, but I like my soap at. And I know it's cheating, whatever. Okay. You want to get 1/4 cup. Roll it into a ball. Break it in half. Turn them 90 degrees. And get it together at the base. Now, it says to put... How many did they say to put on here? 9 dough balls per sheet. I don't know that I can get 9 on here. They're huge, people. Don't talk about my huge black chocolate balls. Scott, stop it. That's my brother. Okay. So I'm going to continue doing this. Okay, so this is what it looks like. They're really big, and you're gonna cook them for 15 to 18 minutes, and the centers are gonna still be soft and puffy, but you need to start checking them at 13 minutes, okay? Let's go. We'll check it at 13 and go from there. Okay, it says to get it out when the sides start to harden, which they did, and the insides are still puffy. Okay, it said to cool them off on the tray, so that's what I did. And they're nice and solid, and yet you could feel that they are going to be chewy and yummy. But that's all it made. 14 huge cookies. But really, if you broke them in half, it would be 28. And I'm sure they're going to be delicious. So I had them, not super special, but Scott's having a second. Enjoy!